How to make voiceover video in CapCut. So first things first, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of CapCut. Open or launch your CapCut and import the video or picture that you want to use here on your CapCut. Drag the video right here. Now tap on audio or voiceover microphone icon. Press and hold the record button to start recording. Release the button to stop, then you can preview or re-record if needed. After that, you can adjust the voiceover. You can tap the voice track to adjust volume, add fade in and fade out, split or trim, or add effects. Also, you have to make sure that you're using the correct microphone here. If you're using the Pro version, you can use echo reduction, mute project, and other features on the Pro version. Now you can start, and if you want to stop, just click the red button, listen to it by tapping this play button right here, and then you can now add, delete, re-record again. So if you want to export, just tap the export icon and choose the resolution, save your device or share directly to social media. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.